Hello, my name is Solomon Călin, and I'm speaking out of Colegiul Național Iulia Hașdeu from Bucharest. Today, I'll be redefining rebellion, and I'll be telling you why saving the planet is the new trend. Like most teens, I used to rebel recklessly against rules, picking up habits that my family explicitly warned me about, like smoking, littering, or splurging on fast fashion just to seem cooler to my peers. But let's be honest, what even is cool? Because as the trend started to fade, I realized how destructive my so-called rebellion really was, not just to myself, but to the world around me. And let me tell you, a planet that's heating up faster than our tempers trying to explain to our grandparents that AI post on Facebook isn't real, that's not cool in any sense whatsoever. But here's the twist. The rebellious energy shooting up in our hormone-filled heads doesn't need to be suppressed. It just needs better aim. Think about it. Every revolution dies, but another rises. So what's ours? I believe it's about redefining our relationship with our current consuming mentality that's bringing a reckless imbalance to our home planet, Earth. So let's have a target practice for our aim. Imagine throwing wild parties at your grandparents' house to impress your mates, but you never clean up after, and the cigarette butts, cheap plastic bottles, and rotten frozen pizza boxes pile up until there's no space left to dance. What started as a rebellious fun becomes a mess that no one wants to deal with anymore. Now ask yourself, do you stay silent in the crowd, pretending it's someone else's problem? Or do you stand up and take charge of cleaning up the mess? That's where we are right now, with the Earth as the ultimate party house. And we're all stomping on the dance floor of wasteful exploitation. And I get it. When you think about the massive corporations polluting our planet, it's easy to feel powerless, to feel small. It feels like nothing we do in our daily lives could possibly stand against industries destroying our forests, oceans, and air. And although these little rebellions might seem insignificant alone, together they create momentum, powerful momentum. When millions of people shift their actions, industries take notice. Change begins with choice to get informed and take action. So let me drop some relevant facts for us to dwell on. Over 11 million tons of plastic enter our oceans every year. That's like dumping a garbage truck full of plastic into the ocean every minute. By 2050, there could be more plastic in the ocean than fish. Yeah, that's a lot. Also, the fashion industry is responsible for 10% of global emissions of carbon, more than aviation and shipping combined. Every year, fast fashion wastes 93 billion cubic meters of water as well. That's enough to meet the needs of almost 5 million people. And food waste, a third of all food produced globally is wasted. While millions go hungry, that's not just inefficient, it's a moral failure. So I believe rebellion isn't about being destructive anymore. It's about being constructive. Some of the little yet revolutionary decisions I've started to implement at a personal level are, for example, investing in reusable stainless steel bottles that can be customized with stickers instead of countless plastic ones. Also, trashing the trends by dishing fast fashion for thrift shopping. Not only am I contributing to saving the planet by giving clothes a second life, but I'm also finding my unique style. So it's the perfect mix. Also, learning to love leftovers by seasoning for new culinary discoveries instead of just throwing it away. Or maybe even donating food in extra to some organizations. We have the information, we can also find. We have access to so much. We just need to take action. And there's a plethora of more ways for each of us to start building upon the rebellious momentum needed for cleaning up the party of reckless consumeristic progress. So, the question is, will you be remembered as just another reckless, chaotic guest? Or will you be the one who flipped the script towards harmony? Because trust me, the new rebellion isn't about fitting in. It's about standing out by standing up for what truly matters. Thank you for your time.